Hey everyone, welcome back to Shrinidhi.A.I, your go-to place to learn marketing and business the smart way. Today, let's talk about something super important, the 4 petaseconds of marketing, but with a fun twist, through a story. This is Priya. She's 12 years old and wants to start a lemonade business in her neighborhood during summer. First, Priya thinks about the product. What will make her lemonade special? She decides to make it with fresh lemons, mint leaves, and just the right amount of sugar. Refreshing and healthy. Next, she thinks about price. She checks what others charge. Some kids are selling lemonade at 30 rupees, some at 40 rupees. She decides to price hers at 35 rupees, not too high, not too low, and even offers a discount if someone brings their own cup. Now, where will she sell it? That's place. Priya chooses to set up her stall near the park, where people walk every evening. More people equals more sales. Finally, she needs to tell people about her lemonade. That's promotion. Priya makes colorful posters, tells her friends, and even gives out free samples on day 1 to spread the word. So let's recap, the 4 petaseconds of marketing are product, price, place, and promotion. If you liked this story and learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to Shrinidhi.A.I, and share it with a friend who loves business stories. Comment below, which P do you think is most important?